Bringing up Hoovs. I got one 2016 Upper Deck GoodWin Champs. Hobby Box. See if we can get out of here. Factory seal. Pulled some really cool stuff out of here lately. See if we can get a book or something. Some nice patches. Guys, I am breaking lives. Send those orders in. If you got any questions about any group breaks, live breaks coming up today, just let me know. Why can I forget how to completely open these now? Maybe I had it upside down. I was gonna say, I was like, there's something to cut on here. I'm losing my mind today. Let's get going. Playbook football coming up today. 10 spots left, $36.95. Giving away a Todd Gurley jersey. You can see that. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, normally the case. Mike and Thule? That's like that. That's isn't that that's the guy from The Puppet. I'm like 90% sure that's what that is, but it's not. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, but it's one of those deity cards. You never know, this stuff's you don't see a ton of those deity cards that's on the box. So who knows? First pack. Alrighty. Dave Bodea, autograph, diving. 2 packs, 2 hits right out of the gate. Let's hope, yeah, let's keep it going. Mini Kalen Kyle. Tom Shields. Zach Test, mini card rugby. GoodWin Champs. Wayne Gretzky right there. Justin Thomas on the mini. Okay, hold on. We got something cool here. Move the base out of the way. Alice in Wonderland vintage book relics. Vintage book relics. First one of those. Alice Adventures in Wonderland, vintage book relics, yeah. There you are. Smoking something, I don't. That's what I was going to say. This has been an interesting box so far. Let me check it out. Yeah, it says it's pulled from a book, so let me check it out. I was trying to see if there was going to be a number on that. I figured there'd be something. No. It's pretty cool. Yep. All right, thanks for the break. Who's all that packed up, shipped out for you today, man.